Matatandaang nag-trending ang aktor na si John Estrada, matapos ang mga inilabas na posts ni Priscilla Meireles, patungkol sa what to call a female that entertains married man. Inamin naman agad ni Priscilla na may problema talaga sila ng kanyang asawa, at kaya siya nagpo-post ay napuno na raw ito. At mukhang nalagpasan na ng mag-asawang Priscilla Meireles at John Estrada ang naging pagsubok nilang mag-asawa. Sa Instagram, ipinakita ni John Estrada, ang ilang litrato nila ng misis na sweet habang nasa swimming pool. Sa interview ni Boy Abunda, nagpakatotoo ang aktres at Brazilian beauty queen, nang matanong tungkol sa estado ng relasyon nila ngayon ni Janice de Belen, pati na sa mga anak nito kay John Estrada. Never kaming naging close, pero na-appreciate ko siya ng sobra. Say ni Priscilla Meireles tungkol sa ex-wife ng mister niyang si John Estrada na si Janice de Belen. Chika ni Priscilla sa panayam sa kanya ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, civil lang sila ni Janice de Belen, pero totoong mas naging malapit siya sa mga anak ng premyadong aktres at ni John. Anya, I'm very close with the kids. We're very close and I've seen them growing up. Yung tawag nila sa akin ate kasi medyo malayo yung age gap namin. They're very sweet. Every time I go to trials, they're always there for me, sabi ng aktres. Dagdag pa ng Miss Earth 2004, patungkol sa mga anak ni na John at Janice de Belen, they reached out and I appreciate that very much. They know that no matter what whenever they need me, I'm just here. Isa pang revelasyon ni Priscilla ay ang pag-reach out daw sa kanya noon ni Janice de Belen. Aniya, when it comes with Miss Janice de Belen, never kaming naging close, pero na-appreciate ko siya ng sobra, kasi last year actually nag-reach out siya sa akin and I hope it's okay to share. She, woman to woman. She was very kind and I appreciate that because we were not close. We did work before together, but of course because I am married to her ex, although I'm not the reason why they separated, please let's make this clear. Yung pagpasok ko sa buhay ni John, it was many years they were already annulled, paglilinaw ni Priscilla. Aniya pa, but of course, woman to woman I think she can feel me, and I think she understands where she's coming from, and I think she appreciates the fact that I'm good to her kids, and then they love me and I love them. Saludo nga raw siya sa ginawa ni Janice de Belen. That means a lot and that means it shows who she is as a person, so I admire her for that and I thank her. She's a wonderful woman.